What's up everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Tom and today I want to continue the last tutorial I did a few weeks ago where I talked about how you can easily create cinematic titles in Adobe After Effects. And today I want to show you how you can turn these title designs into motion graphics templates, because that allows you to use your title designs or essentially anything you created in After Effects. In Premiere Pro, you can change different settings directly in Premiere Pro without having to go back and forth. And this is just a really easy way to save a lot of time and to make your editing workflow a lot easier. So before we get into this, make sure that you actually watch the first part of this tutorial where I show you 3 really basic but really effective techniques to create cinematic titles in Adobe After Effects. Just click the link up here and I'll just wait a moment. Ready? Okay, so let's assume that you actually already created some titles or essentially anything in Adobe After Effects. And now you want to use this in Premiere Pro on several projects where you have to do several tweaks for every project, and you want to do this easily directly in Premiere Pro. The best way is to create a motion graphics template. And for that, simply enable the Essential Graphics tab in Adobe After Effects, select your composition and name it however you want. I'll just go with gradient title, and to choose what settings you want to make changeable in your motion graphics template, just select solo supported properties and this will show you all your available settings in your composition. Now we want to make the source text changeable, so we just drag it up here and we want to name it title. And of course, as for the gradient, we want to make the start color and the end color changeable. That's all we want to do for now. And to create a thumbnail for your motion graphics template, just go anywhere in your composition and click on the thumbnail window in your Essential Graphics tab. That way you just make the frame you're seeing your actual thumbnail. Now simply click Export Motion Graphics Template, save the project, and as for the destination, I highly recommend to not change this, leave it on Essential Graphics, because this way it easily shows up directly in Premiere Pro and you don't have to do anything else. So just hit OK, go to Premiere Pro, hit the Essential Graphics tab and just drag your template onto your timeline. And now if you select your template and go to Essential Graphics again, you directly see all the things you can change for a template. Everything is updated right away in Premiere Pro. You don't even have to own After Effects. If you have some motion graphics templates downloaded or from anyone else, you can just import these into Premiere Pro and use them right away. So that's pretty much it. It's really an easy way to speed up your creative process. I will also make the 3 title designs I made in the last video available as motion graphics templates for free. So definitely check out the link in the description and enjoy the templates. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already to see more filmmaking related videos like this, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.